Welcome to the future of PCB manufacturing. In this video, we'll show how industrial digital solutions like DFS can reduce energy consumption and carbon footprints on the shop floor. PCB manufacturing is energy intensive. Managing this consumption is critical for lowering costs and reducing environmental impact. But with the right tools, this challenge becomes an opportunity. That's where DFS comes in. It delivers real-time monitoring and analytics to optimize energy use and minimize CO2 emissions, all without the need for excess sensors. By analyzing this data, DFS makes energy efficiency not just possible, but measurable. DFS models evaluate machine energy consumption in real time, transmitting data to a centralized system for analysis. This real-time insight empowers stakeholders to quickly identify high-energy processes and implement improvements. They also can identify the energy consumption for each batch or panel, allowing them to make informed decisions based on this data. But it doesn't stop there. DFS uses this data to recommend energy-saving measures like optimal machine settings and scheduling, ensuring ongoing efficiency. With advanced algorithms, the system continuously optimizes manufacturing, minimizing energy waste and reducing CO2 emissions. While optimizing energy, DFS ensures that your data remains private and secure. The results speak for themselves. PCB manufacturers using DFS have cut energy usage by up to 15%, significantly lowering both costs and CO2 emissions. Efficiency that benefits both your bottom line and the environment. Now it's your turn. Ready to reduce your carbon footprint and operational costs with the power of DFS? Contact us via atotech.com/contact, and one of our representatives will get in touch with you.